I'm about to hit Shane in the chest. I am bald now. I went to Friday. Okay.
Oh shit. Titties. No.
And then go to truck stop. You got truck slap.
Deuces.
Deuces. You. Chipman.